Good morning everybody. So today I am going to discuss the new chapter, that is the HCF and LCM. Clear? And I think in other means in primary classes also you must have studied it. So now let's start this HCF and LCM. HCF means what? HCF means highest common factor. Clear? HCF means what? Highest common factor. This is what? Factor. Okay, what is factor? Like 12. 12 is equal to means what are 12 is divisible by which means which are the numbers that can divide 12. So 12 can divide 3, clear, 4, 2, 6. So they are what? They are the factors of 12. Clear? So in this HCF, we find the highest common factor between two numbers or more than two numbers. Clear? Now, if the question is that write all the factors of 48. Clear? If the question is write all the factors of 48. So how we write? We write F48. Clear? Sometimes you can get this type in the question. It means you have to write all the factors of what? All the factors of 48. So what are the factors of 48? Means 48 is divisible by which numbers? That numbers we have to write here. So it is divisible by 2. Then what? It is divisible by 4 also. Then 6 also. 8 also. Then what? 24. Yes, 24 also. Then which are the numbers? Tell me. So 24 also, because when we divide 48 by 2, we get 24. When we divide 48 by 4, then we get what? 12. Clear? So and 48, this number itself is a factor of 48. Clear? So when this type of question you get, you write all the numbers that can easily divide 48. Easily divide 48 means no remainder. Remainder is what? 0. Clear? Now, next is that if you get a question like this, write prime factors. Write prime factors. Clear? Write prime factors of 16. Then how you will get the question? It is here. So for this, what we will do? First we will write the factor of 16. So what are the factors of 16? 2, 4, 8, clear, and the number itself. Now prime factor. Prime factor means what? PF. Clear? This is called as what? This is called as a prime factor. So prime factor of what? 16. Means prime numbers we have to write. Only the prime numbers. And prime numbers means what? Yes. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3. They are what? Prime numbers. That so here which one is the prime number? 2 is the prime number. Means the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called as prime number. Clear? What is prime number? The number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, then 5, 7, then 11, 13. So these numbers are what? These numbers are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay. So 2 divided by what? 2. 3 divided by what? 3. 5 divided by what? 5. Or 2 divisible by 1. 3 divisible by 1. 5 divisible by 1. So there are the examples of what? Prime numbers. So here prime factor of 16 is what? Then you will write the answer 2. Okay. Now next. Like if the question is write the prime factor of 6. Well, suppose you have to write the prime factor of 6. So what will be the answer? The prime factor of 6 is 2 and 3. Clear? So because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So they are what? They are the prime factors of 6. So I think now it has become very clear that what is factor and what is the prime factor. Okay. Now I'm going to explain about the HCF. So HCF means highest common factor. Clear? HCF you can find between two numbers also, then three numbers also, then four numbers, five numbers, like this you can find out. Okay. So find HCF. If the question is find HCF, find HCF of 18, 24 and 32. Clear? This is the HCF. So now 18, 24 and 32. Three methods are here to find the HCF. Clear? So the first method is what? First method is a prime factor method. First method is prime factor method. Then the second method is what? Common factor method. Okay. And third is what? Third is common division method. Clear? Common division method we can write, or simply we can write division method. Division method. Okay. So these are three methods: prime factor method, common factor method and division method to find the HCF of any numbers. So first let's discuss about the prime factor method. Okay. So prime factor method, first we'll find out all the prime numbers of 18, 24 and what? 32. Clear? So first method that I'm going to discuss is what? Is the common factor method. Okay. So first find out the factor of 18. So 2, then what? 3, 6, then 9, then 18. Okay. Then 24. What are the factors of 24? So 2, 3, then 8, then 12, 6, 4 and 24. And now find out the factors of 32. So 2, then 8, 4, 16, then 32, the number itself. Now the common factor method. So first find out which one is common factor here out of all these numbers. So you must have noticed this 2 is present in all the numbers. Clear? There is no any other number that is common to all. Oh, so here we will write HCF of 18, 24 and 32 is equal to 2. I hope this method is clear to all of you. Okay. Now let's do the another method. Next is the prime factor method. Prime factor method. Okay. This is the second method. Okay. So in this we find out all the prime numbers. So find out the prime numbers of 18. So what? 2 9s are 3 3s are. So which are the prime numbers here of 18? So 2, 3. Only 2 and 3. Clear? Then 24. Find out of 24. we will not write all the numbers because we have to find out only the prime numbers. Okay, prime factor we will find out. So like this we can find out only the prime factor. So 24, so 12, then 6, then 2, 3. Means which are the number here? 2 and 3. Okay. Now next is 32. Find out of 32. So 2 1s are 2 and then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 8, 2 4, 2 2. So the prime factor of 32 is only 2. Now which one is common here? Which prime factor is common? You are getting 2 here. It means again the HCF of what? 18, 24 and 32 is equal to what? 2. Means whichever method we will apply for the same number, we will get the same answer. Okay. So for the prime factor method also, we got the answer 2. And this is the way to find out the prime factors of any number. Okay. Now next, third method. What is that third method? Yes, common division method or simply division method. So division method. Third method is division method. Okay. So 18, 24 and 32. When two numbers are there, then it is very easy. Divide the greater number by the smaller number. But when 3 digits are there, that is why I have taken the 3 digits, because it is little bit difficult. So when 3 digits, suddenly it comes in the student's mind that when 3 digits are there, then how we'll find out. So when you will get 3 digits, then first you find out the HCF of 2 digits, and then you find out the HCF of answer plus answer and what? Answer and the third digit. So let's do it, then it will be very clear. So 18, 24 and 32. So divide what? 24 by 18. How many times? One time. So 14 minus 8, 6. Then from this 6, you divide what? 18. Then how many times? 3. So answer will not be 3. Answer will be what? 6. So HCF of 18 and 24 is equal to what? 6. Clear? Now we will find out the HCF of 6 and 24. Okay? 6 and 32. So 6, 32. How many times? Then 2 here. Okay? So I hope we have not done anything wrong here. Just check once again. How many times? 18 to the 36. That we can't do. So one time 18. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 6 here. Then divide. How many times? 3 times. So cancel. Then again 6 is what? Then from the 6 we will divide what? This 32. 6 5s are 32. So here is 2. Then HCF is coming what here? HCF is coming 6. Okay. So here this HCF will be what? 6. Clear? Now next. Let's do once again. 24 and 18. So one time 18. Then 14 minus 8, 6, then here 18, then 3, it is 18 here, then again 6 and 32, then how many times? 5, example, how many times? 5, so this is what? 2, okay, so here it is coming 6. Here, and then again here what we will do, this from this 2 we will divide this 6, because in this HCF we should not get the any number as a remainder, clear? So here it will be 2 3s are 6, so here the answer is what? 2. So again means just now I said that when we get different kinds of when we do with the different methods, still we get the answer what? Same, okay? So here again we got the HCF what? 2. So these are the 3 ways to find out the HCF, okay? Now next is find LCM. So LCM means what? LCM means least common multiple. Clear? What is this LCM? Least, or we can say lowest common multiple. Clear? Multiple means like the multiple of 2. So multiple of 2 means table of 2. In a very easy way. What is that? To understand that multiple is 2 means the table of that number. So like 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So these are what? These are the multiples of 2. Okay, this term is clear to you. Now let's find out the LCM. Okay. So find out the LCM of what? Find out the LCM of find LCM of 16, 20 and 24. Again 3 methods are there. Same way, first common factor method, second prime factor method, and third is what? Yes, division method. So first let's do with what? Common multiple method. First start with the common multiple method. Okay, so common multiple method means 16. What are the multiples of 16? So 16 1s are 16, then 32, okay, then like this, okay, then 20. So multiples of 20, then 20, 40, 60, then what? 80, and then what? 100, like this. Then the multiples of 24. So okay, so then 24 3s are 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are means 4 3s are 12, and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Okay, then 24 4s are, so when you multiply 96, okay, then 24 5s are 120. Clear? Means till now we have not got, so again we have to multiply, because till now we have not got any number that is common to all. Okay, so again 24 6 are 144, not got, so again 24 into 7, into 7, 168. It means I have taken the big number here. That is why we have to do the calculation. No problem. When we are doing maths, then why to afraid with the calculation? Clear? So we should not get afraid with what? Calculation. So again take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 24 7s are multiply with this 7 4s are 28, 2, then 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 168. 168 I have written here. Then 24 into 8. So 24 into 8 is what? So 24 into 8, 192. Okay. Then 24 into 9. 24 into 9. 216. So here we can write 192 and 216. Clear? Then 10. So 240 into 10. Okay. Till 10 here also we can write. So 100. After 100 is what? 120. After 120, 140. It will go very long. Actually, it will go very long. 140, then 140, and then what? When you multiply, again 7 2s are, then 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are what? 9 2s are 18, we have not got it. 10 2s are 200, we have not got it. 11 2s are, it will go very long. So take another number so that it becomes easy, isn't it? Take another number. Like find the LCM of like 2 and 6 and 8. 3 numbers are here. So you have to find the LCM of 2, 6 and 8. So 2 is what? Multiple of 2 is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Then 6, multiple of 6, 2, then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Here also we can write 12, so 12 we have got it. Then 8, again 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, we have not got it. Then here you see 2 6s are 2 7s are 14, then 2 10s are 20, and then 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 12 2s are 24. So 12 here. Clear? 24. Is here coming. Then here 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and then 24. Very good. So see, here we have got the common multiple. Common multiple is what here? 24. So 24 is the answer. Clear? Because that time I have taken very big number, and so we have to do lot of we have to find out the lot of multiple. We don't have any means I don't have much place here. So I have taken here small numbers. So now you have got the answer. Okay. Now the second one is second method is what? Second method is prime factor method. Second method is what? Prime factor method. Prime factor method. So in this we will find out the prime numbers. Prime numbers of what? 2, 6 and 8. So prime numbers of 2 is what? 2. Prime numbers of 6 is what? 2 and 3. Clear? And prime numbers of what? 8. So prime numbers of 8 will be what? 2 2s are 4. Here you will write 2 and then 2. Because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Clear? Here 1. So now 2 numbers are here, 2 and 3. Clear? 2 numbers are here, 2 and 3. So here we will write the highest power of 2. So highest power of 2 here is what here? 2 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1. Clear? And here is what? 2 to the power 1. So highest power of 2 is what here? Highest power of 2 is 3 and highest power of 3 is what here? 1. So always you will take the highest power. Okay? We will write like this. We will find out the prime factors like this and then we will write the highest power. So highest power we will find out and then you multiply here. So 2 to the power 3 means 2 you have to write 3 times and then 3. Okay? So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So in the previous method also we got 24. Now also we have got what? 24. Now another method is what? Common division method. So third method is what? Common division method. Okay. In this method what we do? We write 2, 6 and 8 and then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then we multiply. Clear? We multiply all the numbers because now we cannot divide. At least we should divide 2 numbers but we cannot divide. Only 4 is left here. So multiply 2 into what? 3 into 4 because when we multiply any number with 1, the answer we get what? The number itself. So when we multiply here, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So again we got answer what? 24. Means when we find HCF or LCM by any method, clear? Suppose we are finding the HCF and we are applying different types of method, we get the answer same for the same question. So I think all the process must have become clear to you. Thank you very much.